This is a daily detox drink. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chanel. Yay! Yeah, welcome back to another exciting video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a detox drink. Yeah, a detox water that can help you to reduce bloating. Yeah, let's get started. No time to waste. No time. If it's your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe, comment, like, and share, and turn on the notification button so when I post a new video, you'll be notified. So guys, these are the ingredients that we'll be using. This is my cucumber. I've already washed it and sliced 6 pieces. So we'll be using 6 pieces of sliced cucumber, 6 pieces of sliced lemon, then some mint leaves, some leaves from just little amounts of mint leaves. Yeah. So 6 pieces of lemon, 6 pieces of sliced lemon, 6 pieces of sliced cucumber, then 1 liter. We'll be using 1 liter of water. Yeah, so we'll be using 1 liter of water to make this detox drink. So we can also add cubes. Is optional. If you like, can add cubes. So after slicing your cucumber and lemon, washed your mint leaves, then you have a bowl. I have a glass. Let's go. So this is what I'll be using to mix everything. So I'll have to go with my cucumber. 6 slices, yeah. This is 6. This is 6 slices of lemon. This, and this. Yeah. Then mint leaves, some few mint leaves. I'll use some few. I'll be using all of this. Yeah. So guys, there is my cubes. It's optional. If you want to, then 1 liter of water. So guys, the cucumber in this water, the cucumber inside has diuretics, which cleans the liver and also flushes bodily toxins and also prevents water retention. Then the lemon juice slows down digestion process and increase nutrient absorption. And nutrient absorption means less bloating. The mint leaves contains antimicrobial properties. Mint leaves also helps in fresh breath. This is a daily detox drink. Yeah, guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. So turn on the notification button so when I post a new video, you'll be notified. So you can put it in the fridge for a couple of hours before taking it, or you can keep it overnight. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.